If you are not using AI to boost your productivity, then my dear friend, you are missing out. As a designer, we all face this. Let's say you have a product image and you want to make it big, bold and ad ready without spending hours on retouching, masking and background resources. In this video, I'll be showing you how I save hours using ChatGPT to convert the product image that I shoot in my studio from my mobile and converted them into a full-fledged marketing campaign using ChatGPT and Photoshop. And I will be showing you 3 examples of the products that I shoot and edited using Photoshop and ChatGPT. And I will also be showing you some other experiments that I had using these products and ChatGPT. So without wasting any time, let's dive. Alright guys, here we are on my screen and this is the image of our product that I shoot on my table in my studio, and this is the image as our reference image, and I will be replacing this perfume bottle with our perfume bottle. Alright, so I'm going to drag and drop both the image into the ChatGPT, and after uploading both the images, I have this prompt right over here, and after giving it a prompt, and let's see what we will get in the final output. And let's wait for this to generate the final image, and until then we can wait for that. Alright guys, oh my goodness bro, it has blown my mind. Just look at the final results bro, just look at these results. Just imagine an year ago the capabilities of the AI. The AI was not able to do that kind of stuff bro. Literally it blew my mind. Just imagine a year from now what are the possibilities that AI can do for us designers. Just imagine bro, this is an amazing stuff. Just look at this image side by side and look at this. It literally blew my mind. Alright, so after generating the image, I bring that into the Photoshop and I added this text right over here and hide it below that, and after that I added a little bit of shadow right over here to give it a depth, and then I created this stroke to make it more readable and easy to understand. Alright, and after that I separated the product from the background and bring it foreground to the text. Alright, and then I add this text, then I add the brand logo and the brand website and this smoke to give it a more dynamic and more depth to the final design. And this is our first design looks like. Now let's move toward our second product, that is this Vaseline image, and this is our reference image. Alright, now let's drag and drop both the images into the ChatGPT, and this time again I'm going to use same prompt that we have right over here. Just copy it and paste it over here and hit enter, and let's see what we will get this time. Oh my goodness, just look at this image, the another mind-boggling stuff that ChatGPT just created for us. Bro, literally this is amazing. This is something that wasn't possible to do in just that kind of clicks. Okay, so after generating that image, let me bring that to the Photoshop and show you the magic of a designer. So after generating the image, I bring that to the Photoshop, and after that I added this simple text, then a Vaseline, then I separated the product from the background and placed that like this, then I added this simple text and these design elements and the website and the logo, and this is our second design, how it looks like. Just look at this simple image that I captured with my mobile and bring that to the ChatGPT. Then I use the Photoshop to create a full-fledged marketing ad creative to boost your sales and all that stuff. So now let's move toward our third product, that is a honey jar. So please don't judge the image of the jar. Basically that was in my kitchen and I bring that into my studio and just capture a single image just for the video purpose. Alright, and this is our reference image. Now let me just drag and drop both the images into the ChatGPT, and this time again I'm gonna use the same prompt that I used for last two products. Then hit enter and let's see what we will get in the final output. And this is our final image, and after bringing the image to the Photoshop, I created some shadows over here, added this product description, and this is the brand logo, how I created our third product design. So here is a big takeaway. With a simple snapshot of the product and a reference image, you can create a high quality ad creatives that saves you hours of work. You stay in control creatively and AI helps handle the time consuming part. This process helped me to save time, impress my clients, and speed up the process of my portfolio projects. So check out my portfolio on raynavaz.com and Behance. And if you have any project in mind, so don't hesitate to reach out to me. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep growing. Bye.